Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2014 Honda CBR650F. This inline four-cylinder sport bike just arrived with only 16,000 miles. Beautiful condition. It's got a smoke windscreen, tank grip tape, brand new tires. Thing is in beautiful shape. Come on by and make your inline four-cylinder 650 dreams come true with this awesome CBR 650F. Oh, by the way, it also has ABS brakes. We have financing. We have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. I don't think I mentioned the price, only $54.99 for this beautiful Honda. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.